I'm scared of having to go back and work a regular ass job.
What am I doing with my life? I'm alive! I'm alive!
I'm scared of those things. I'm scared of living a normal life. And that's why I don't care what anybody thinks, bro, or this or that. I just jump 100% of the time.
You were told that if you didn't go to college, you would never amount to anything. And you're taking these classes because you were told you had to go here anyway.
Right.
But you don't really know what you want to do and don't know who you are. So at the end of the day, you end up with a degree that you can't use.
Doesn't mean anything.
Because you don't know what the fuck you want to do.
Education, want a real education, go start a business. You'll learn more in 6 months starting a business than any business school 4-year degree or MBA or any shit university education teaching you marketing. Forget that.
If you don't want to live in a controlled life anymore, you have to set yourself free. And the way to set yourself free is to rewire your mind and decondition that unconscious.
If failure was not an option and you couldn't fail and money wasn't an obstacle and money wasn't real, what would you do? Who would you become? What would be bred out of that desire for greatness?
Because if anybody ever did it, then you can too.
Don't let anyone tell you it's not possible. Don't let anyone tell you that it's not practical. You make sure that you go for it. You're hungry, you want it, then get it.
I believe so much in myself and I have a bulletproof mind. And when I go out there, I know what I'm able to do.
I don't fail, I learn, I reevaluate, I analyze, I cross-examine, I fine-tune, I refine my craft.
I have a vision, I have my confidence, and I believe in myself.
Once you really put your mind to whatever you got going on and you really want to get something done, it's you versus you. So you say you want to get it done, it's huge. Because once you get it done, it's like, damn, like I already said I was going to do it, did it.
On some level, you're like, I want to do this thing, but what if it doesn't work? I know, because I've been in your seat. And you just gotta fucking get over it.
You're gonna fucking fail. You're gonna fall. And in that process of you falling and getting back up, that's where you're gonna learn. That's where you're gonna build the character. And that's what will eventually lead to you becoming the type of person in order to make everything succeed. It's the person that you must become in order to become a millionaire.
Like, you're going to suck. Of course you're going to fail. Why would you be good? You've never done it before.
Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try.
That's why I even try and tell people that just embrace the struggle though, because one day it's gonna be done.
And I'm gonna get up every day and I'm gonna outwork everybody in the room and I'm gonna go get it.
No matter what, go for it. Not for anybody else, but for yourself.
At what point are you gonna wake up and realize you're getting fucking nowhere, bro?
You just not working hard enough, man. That's the fucking truth. You're not working hard enough. You're not grinding hard enough.
All the time you're complaining, you could be instead hustling. You could be instead chasing your dream. You could be instead figuring out what you're doing wrong, trying to improve certain aspects of your life, getting your shit together, reading a book, meditating, something.
The thought of you being in the same place today and being in the same place 4 years from fucking now makes you change like there's no fucking tomorrow. Makes you live like tomorrow doesn't even exist.
There is no tomorrow.
Get back to fucking work. It's time to get back to work.
Get to fucking work. You're a young man. You're supposed to be like a fighting age young man full of testosterone and ambition to take over the world. You're not done working hard.
And don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try.